Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you a few snake clash tips and tricks for beginners. Now, the first thing that you'd want to do is to just go ahead and master the basics. So the first rule is simple. Collect glowing orbs to grow your snake. So go ahead and stay calm with your movements. Smooth control makes it easier to dodge other snakes. Remember, size helps, but survival is more important than rushing growth. Now go ahead and use the speed boost when you need to escape or grab orbs after another snake crashes. But don't overuse it. Boosting shrinks your snake, so save it for the right moment. And don't fight big snakes directly. Instead, follow them closely and collect the orbs they leave behind. It's a safe way to grow without taking huge risks. And once you're big enough, you can trap smaller snakes by circling them. It's a classic snake clash strategy. Just don't get too greedy or you'll crash. And the center of the map is where most snakes gather and die. So this means more orbs and faster growth. But be careful. It's also the most dangerous place, so keep your reflexes sharp. And if you're new, focus on staying alive instead of chasing kills. Long survival means more chances to grow and learn the game's flow. And there you go. Go ahead and keep collecting coins to go ahead and improve your snake and also unlock movement speed, item power, and leveling up. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.